Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to submit the CSS profile for the 2025 to 2026 school year. A lot of schools use the CSS profile to decide how much financial aid you can get. So if you're applying for aid, this is really important. And don't worry, the process might look a little long, but I'll walk you through here step by step. So first go to College Board website and log in with your College Board account. So if you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account before you can start. Once you're logged in, look for the CSS profile section, click on it, and then select the year 2025 to 2026. And from here, you'll see that it asks for your personal information, your family details, and your financial info. So take your time filing this out because the more accurate your answers are, the better. If your parents are helping you, you'll need their income and tax information too. Some school might even ask for extra documents, so make sure you read carefully as you go along. So as you're working through the form, you'll notice that the systems save your progress. So you don't have to finish everything in one sitting. That's really helpful if you need to go back and check some numbers. Once you've answered all the questions, you'll be asked to review everything. Double check your answers before you move forward because once you submit it, you can't change anything. Next, you'll see the list of colleges you want to send your CSS profile to. Each school choose you may have a small fee, but fee waivers are available if you qualify. So make sure to check that. After you've selected your schools, go ahead and pay the submission fee or apply your waiver. And finally, once the payments go through, you'll be able to officially submit your CSS profile. You should get a confirmation page or email, so keep that for your records so you know it went through. And that's it. That's how you submit CSS profile for 2025 to 2026. I hope this helped you out and made the process a little easier. Thank you so much for watching and good luck with your financial aid application.